This is the last tool. This is the touch type tool. And what the touch type tool does is it is a interactive version of all of the features that we find in this panel. Okay, so if I was to write a line of text, let me show you here. If I was to write a line of text, I can select the text and change its font face. I'll get a little graphical preview of what it might look like. Right? This is the font size up and down. This is called the leading. It's the distance between a top line and a bottom line. See that? Controls the space between. This is called the tracking. This is the space between the letters. Okay, this is scale up, scale vertically. That's vertical scale. I always get them confused. This is horizontal scale. This is rotate. This is called the baseline shift. This is force caps. This is small caps. So on and so forth. So there's all these options that I can play with within this panel. Okay, this tool right here, what it does is it allows me to isolate a character. So if I click on the S, for example, you'll notice how it draws a little bounding box around it. Right, with this little bounding box selected, I can now reposition the letter, change its scale, change its rotation to make it look more visually interesting. Maybe I use this to help me draw text for a logo. But you'll notice what it's doing is it's changing all of the variables in here interactively. So once again, this is rotation, this is scale, this is position. So it's changing all of the stuff in here. We go to the E and do the same thing. All right, I'll rotate this one the opposite way. So the touch type tool allows me to interactively select a character and change its position, change the way that it appears.